Good morning everyone. Today we are back with another video on Google Ad Manager dashboard demo where we will discuss today the creative section of Google Ad Manager, and we will discuss how the creatives of various formats and sizes are managed via Google Ad Manager. So all these things will be discussed in today's video. So let's start with the video without wasting any more time. So we will discuss first the display creatives, which are the major type of creatives which are used by the advertiser for advertising their products and services on any publisher's website or mobile app. So first of all, we will discuss the standard display creatives. So the standard display creatives are mentioned here. The creatives uploaded till date are also shown here, that what all creatives were uploaded. As you can say, more than 9,000 creatives have been uploaded. You can search a creative by a creative name, like if you have mentioned any creative, like if you have named any creative by some name like XYZ, then you can search by XYZ and you can get the creative, and then you can also use that creative if you want to use that creative for any other future campaigns. So in this way the creatives are like uploaded, and in this way the creatives can be searched without going through the orders or the line items. So in this way the creatives are run. So suppose if we am searching Google, so I can get various Google creatives, like there is a Google ad banner of Google Rail Wi-Fi, and we can see that creative here. This is the creative, enjoying fast Wi-Fi at Google Railway Station. So this was run. So as you can see, you can also see the creative details, target unit ad size, which ad size was added, and then image density is 1x. Generally the image density is 1x, and then you have the creative which has been uploaded, click through URL which has been given for like redirecting the ads to a separate URL, and then orientation, that if you want to like put any orientation in it, but it is any orientation, like it can be done like it can be displayed in a landscape manner, also portrait manner also. All text is optional, that it is served along with primarily for accessibility. The text must be of 500 creators, the 500 characters or fewer. So that is an optional thing. If you want to, if you want to label like frequency cap across your networks or on a specific ad units, then frequency capping limits how often creative line item is served to the user. That can be done. Then impression tracking URL is already also given. So the impression tracking URL is generally for the advertisers who want to confirm if the impressions and ads being served via Google Ad Manager are accurate as per their tracking or not. Although generally the publishers don't verify the third party trackers reports, because the verification is only done through Google Ad Manager reports, because the publisher has no manual role in creating the reports. The reports are auto created by Google Ad Managers. So publishers is not responsible for what a third party tag is recording, and the discrepancies generally happen because of absence of cache busters or click macros in the third party tracker given. So that is an advertiser's issue that needs to be resolved at advertiser's end, and that needs to be taken care of while sharing the third party tag for impression tracking at the advertiser's end. So this is customization field, which is used to capture info that is not available in Google Ad Manager by default, like editable, creative, or editable, that you can search here, and then you can just run the ad. It is the preview of the ad here. this is the preview. Sometimes it takes time to load the creative. And then this is the association generally is the overall summary of the ad. That is, this is the ad line item. Then you have, it is status is active mode, click-through URL is given, how many impressions have been rendered, how many clicks have been rendered, what is the click-through rate of the ad, all these things. And here, what is the viewable impression here, what is the click-through rate. Click-through rate is generally the percentage of impressions that result in a click out of total impressions, and the clicks is the number of clicks on line items in an order. It usually takes about 30 minutes for new clicks to be recorded, added to the displayed here. And impressions is the number of times an ad from the order has been displayed. It usually takes about 30 minutes for new impressions to be recorded and added to the total displayed here. And this is the click-through URL, this is the time, this is the status, and this is all about the creative. Then you can, if you want to add any new creative type, then you have to add new creative from here. If you want to search creatives through advertisers, you can search it through the various advertisers available in your Google Ad Manager repository. Then if you want to add a creative, basic creative of GIF, JPG, PNG, you can add a creative by going here, but you have to select an advertiser first if you want to add a creative to a particular advertiser. You can add a HTML5 creative. HTML5 creatives are also used for running video ads. If they want to run video ads, and it can be run if the video ads are not getting run through a third-party tag, or if the video ads are not getting run through, you can say, you can direct video player, because generally most of the times it has been seen that the Google generally charges more for video ads through their direct video player, and they are charging heavily for that. So that's why the advertisers as well as the publishers avoid direct video ads via video player on Google through Google Ad Manager. And you need to have a separate video inventory also, video ad inventory also on your website or mobile app ad locations, so that those ads which need to be run through Google video player, that will be run only because when your video ad inventory is available, or video ad inventory is created in Google website, in your publisher's website or mobile app. And then you have Campaign Manager 360, so you can use that Campaign Manager 360 URL. So this is generally created through CM360 only. Then you have third-party tags, as discussed above. The third-party tags, you just have to put the third-party tags and test the third-party tags through preview mode. If the ads are running properly, then those ads, primarily the video ads, can be run. And then these are the custom ads which are made through your own developer, so that ads can be run via customized codes. And here, if you select it, you cannot select it because you have to select the advertiser first. Then you have the native format, standard or custom native format can be used. All these formats and creatives can be discussed in the next video, and we will discuss how these native formats and everything work. And custom creative templates can also be defined in networks. Like you can set up custom creative, like defined creative templates, and you can just select the template and use that type of creative. And the standard creative templates are generally used by the publishers for running any creatives of various standard sizes. So this is the way how these things work. So if you can see here, if you want to select a template which has already been created, so the creative template is of size 300 250, 300 600, 320 50, 300 250. So these are standard sizes. Custom template 970 90, 970 250. Custom template span 970 90, 970 250, dynamic ad for 10 image, Google PFT template, Google PFT template 1325. So these are all standard templates. So generally, standard templates means that these are very frequently used. In the standard templates, you can say the forecasting pixel can be used, HTML5 ad, image banner with optional third-party tracking, image with Google plus one, mobile application download, mobile fixed position banner, mobile image carousel, app and web, mobile image with Google plus one, mobile interstitial, pop-up or under window with image content, pop-up or with a third-party campaign, text ad. So all these kind of ads can be done through a standard creative template. So this is all about the type of creatives, the display standard creatives, which can be used for running on any kind of house or like direct ads, which can be used to run a campaign. Here is the bulk upload creative section. So bulk upload creatives is generally for uploading multiple files at once. So generally we use HTML5 or third-party creatives to start. You just have to browse it, and then you can upload as much as maximum 50 files of GIF, JPG, JPG, PNG, JS, text, HTML, HTML, all these kind of files can be uploaded, and maximum 50 files can be uploaded at once. If you are running a very big campaign where you need to upload bulk creatives, and this functionality of Google Ad Manager can be used for running such complex campaigns. So we will come to the master companion creative. So there is no master companion creative currently, and we have not run any master companion creative. Here also same thing comes, like you can upload all such kind of creatives here. Then we will go on vast creatives. Vast creatives are the video ad serving template creatives. So we generally don't run video. We have already tested video ads on our video player a long time back, but we have not run too many vast creatives on our public on our website or mobile app. So this is the way how these things work. This is like if you want to create any vast, you have to select a video that will appear during streaming of any content that display outside a video player. These are the types of vast creatives. This is the video ads that appear during streaming content in video player or that display outside a video player. And assets varies depends on hosting. Overlay ads are that cover part of video content as it plays. The assets are JPG, PNG, GIF. So this is how this thing works. Then the redirect ads are the video or overlay that point to a third-party ad server, requires a vast tag provided by the advertiser. So the vast tags are provided by an advertiser only. They are created by the advertiser via DV360 or CM360. And then these are the audio ads that play during the content, and these are the audio redirect ad that point to a third-party ad server, requires a vast tag provided by this. So generally you will see that vast creatives are of around 5 types. Video ads that appear during streaming content in video players that display outside a video player is one of the video ads. The second is overlay ads, image ads that cover part of video content as it plays. Then there are redirect ads where the video or overlay ads that point to a third-party ad server, requires a vast tag provided by the advertiser. Then there are audio ads that play during audio content. Then there are audio redirect ads that point to a third-party ad server and requires a vast tag provided by the advertiser. So this is all about the vast creatives. Then we will come to the creative templates. So these are the basic creative templates which are already we have already discussed it during the standard display creative section. So here are the creative templates which are already available, like text ad, pop-up window ads. So custom template ad 300 to 300 600, custom template expand ads 320 50, custom template expand 970 to 90, custom template expand ads, dynamic ad edge, forecasting pixel. So forecasting pixel, I would like to throw information on forecasting pixel. The forecasting pixel improves the accuracy of DFP forecasting on inventory hosted by certain third parties. Note that it is used for tracking purposes only and users cannot see the pixel. So this is forecasting pixel, and then there's Google PPD template, then there's Google PPD template, HTML5 animated template for HTML5 animated creatives, image banner with optional third-party tracking. It allows you to create an image banner that clicks through to a new window. You can add safe account survey URLs and other third-party tracking pixels. So this is about the image banner with optional third-party tracking, which allows you to create an image banner that clicks through to a new window. You can add safeguard survey URLs and other third-party tracking pixels. So image with Google plus one, a template to overlay Google plus one button on top of an image creative. As a reminder, any data collected from Google plus one icon is not data derived from any double-click service and is not subject to the terms and conditions of the agreements between you and DoubleClick. So data privacy policy can be like read at google.com support DFP, free minimum bid answer. Mobile application, the mobile application download creative template, mobile fixed position, a banner from mobile web that stays affixed to the bottom of the screen as the user scrolls. Includes a close button for dismissing the banner. This template should be trafficked on and out of the page line. It only supports GPT synchronous mode. And a mobile image carousel app and web. This is a template to render an image carousel, a rotating display of images triggered by a user swipe from right to left. Maximum number of images you can include in a carousel is 5. Supported platforms, applications and websites running on Android 2.2 or iOS 4.3. Mobile image with Google plus one app. This is a template to overlay Google plus one button on top of a banner ad. Supported platforms, applications and websites running on Android 2.3 or iOS 4.3. Note that any data collected from Google plus one is not data derived from any double-click site and is not subject to the terms and conditions of the agreement between you and DoubleClick. Mobile interstitial with auto close. This is a template to display in an image interstitial with auto close control. You can upload assets for both portrait and landscape orientations. Supported platforms, Android or iOS applications. Then there's pop-up or pop-up under with image content, pop-up under with third-party content. To track clicks for creatives using this template, you must insert the third party's click tracking macro into the URL. The click tracking macros are subject to having cache busters. If the click macros with cache busters are not properly implemented from the advertiser's side, then the impression recording discrepancy can happen between Google Ad Manager report served and given by the publisher to the advertiser and the advertiser's report which is generated through the third party tracking. There can be a big discrepancy. So advertisers are advised to have the click macros and the cache busters properly inserted and the third party tags given for the impression URL tracking or any kind of ads. So this is all about the creative templates. So as defined, creative templates define how to show an ad. That is how the ad should look, behave or serve. They can also be used for other purpose outside showing an ad, such as including third-party tracking pixels. If you want to create a new template, that can be discussed later on, and then we will go to the ad review center. That is the fourth and the last part of this creative section. So this is an important thing for a publisher's point of view. Suppose if you are running any campaign, or if you are running ads through your Google Ad Exchange or via any other ad network, and if you get any blocked category ad, such blocked category ads can be blocked through this ad review center via URL or any other thing. You have to find the related ads and you have to block all those ads from here. And you can see all these ads. There are many ads which are serving, and you can check by a URL, or you can check by the creative, or you can check via a image. You can search for an image, you can search, you can put up a screenshot of the displayed banned category ad. So generally banned category ads are those ads which have been blocked by the publishers for not serving on their publisher website because of certain standard terms and policies. So that needs to be adhered by the advertisers who are advertising across the publisher's inventory on mobile app and website. And if the advertisers are not adhering to the standard terms and policies mentioned by the publisher, then such ads need to be blocked via the ad review center or the protection center. Here we are discussing about ad review center. So if the ads are visible, then uh, click and paste the URL of those ads if the ads are available. If the URLs are not available, you can search for those ads by uploading an image of the screenshot which has been forwarded by you by the your customer care team, and any complaint which has been received against those such type of ads. And such type of ads can be blocked via the URL. And you can see that there are sections. There's a prioritize for review, then there's the most impressions, the ads that are ranked by most impressions. Then you have ads which have already been reviewed, which is, and there are ads which are blocked. So these are the ads which are already blocked. This is sample of the ads blocked. And then there are most impressions which have been served, which have not been blocked, but these are the most impressions which have been served through the publisher's website. And then there is prioritized for reviews. These kind of ads can be prioritized for review by the publisher. And if they found the ad content which is not adhering to the standard terms and conditions mentioned for displaying ad on a publisher website, then such ads can be blocked immediately through their URL or through their category. For category wise blocking, inventory wise protections and all thing is used, that we will discuss later on. Currently we are discussing only in the creative section and the ad review center under creatives. So this is how the things work. So these are the blocked ads which are not serving, which have been blocked. You can directly block the ads by just clicking this ad button, and these ads will be blocked. And if you want to block all similar ads like that, you have to click on find related ads, and then you will get all sort of ads similar in this manner of ads, and you can block them directly on a bulk basis. And on mobile app you can also see the same ads displayed. And then you have most impressions, reviewed, blogged. So this way this thing works. If you want to mark all these as reviewed, you can mark these as all reviewed. Here also you can block, you can see the blocked Google Ads accounts. which you have blogged through directly via your publisher account. So these can also be seen here, and the ads can be in the ad review center can be seen in the following way. It's unreviewed ad, most impressions, ads that are ranked by impressions, prioritize the review, ads that we have prioritized for your review, and reviewed ads shown on your site that you have reviewed, blogged ads which are your site have already been blocked. So thank you everyone. This is all about the creative section. Although there are various sections under the creative, like the display creative, type of creatives, which image creative, HTML5 creative, campaign manager, third party, custom, native, custom creative, standard. All these type of creatives need to be discussed in detail. So what I will do, that I will create a separate video for all such kind of creatives types, and we will discuss all the creative types and their utility in detail in the video. So that ideally should not be a GAM dashboard demo video, but it will be all about what kind of creatives are generally used in Google Ad Manager for running any kind of campaign, house campaign or direct ads campaign. So thank you very much. Keep learning new features of Google Ad Manager, and keep searching for the new updates and trends which are happening in the advertising field as well as marketing field. The world is changing very rapidly. In the era of Chat GPT and Bard, we are on the verge of a very big disruption where things will change at a rocket pace, and we need to keep ourselves updated on a daily basis, so that whatever updates happen in this technological disruption era, that we are able to absorb and run along with the changes and the disruptions happening in the tech world as well as the advertising world. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a good day, and I will see you in the next video, which will be on the creative types. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving your time for watching this video. And this video is very important, because creatives are a backbone for any publisher, and the type and variety of creatives decides the success of the campaign in the long run. So the creatives type and variety as per the publisher's site, location and the utility needs to be discussed properly before implementing it in any campaign, because the advertisers are putting their budget for the campaign and they need to have a good ROI after investment on that particular campaign. Thank you very much. Thank you advertisers, and thank you publishers for watching this video. For more videos, keep watching my channel, and keep going through my website for other news and important news, including to other segments. So you can also go through gigconnects.in, that is my website, and you can find very important and suitable content for you to watch and go through. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Enjoy Sunday, and keep learning and keep implementing new things, so that you never have a monotony in your life. Thank you very much.